So here we are, MZers, YouTubers, my 75 subscribers. I have virtually completed the MZts250 supa5. As you can see, all the panels are on. I have put fuel in the tank. I'm going to see if it will start. And it's just a quick little update. Yeah, it's all ready to ride, really. I'm sure there'll be bits and bobs that fall off or need attention, but yeah, it's all done, all bolted together. Fresh gearbox oil. I think the person who possibly changed it before didn't drain the clutch cover side, and I took out about 1200 instead of 950 as I should have done, but never mind. And I've also put an additive with it, so I think I put about 750 gear oil, and I think I put 8-weight 90 liquid moly gear oil, and then I mixed it with an additive which is meant to soften the seals, so hopefully I won't get any leaks or too many leaks. But hey, so yeah, from front, new tyres, spoked wheels. I've actually polished that wheel up, powder coated the mud guards, painted all the black stuff, new mirror, new chrome on the tank, panels painted, seat is untouched. I've raised the seat so you can see a gap through the seat to allow for my long legs, and I also fitted some little plugs on the end here which just tidy up the, well, it was like an open tube, so it looked a little bit unsightly, so that looks a little bit better if you ask me. Obviously same with the rear wheel, new tyres, new silencer. Yeah, so I'm really quite pleased with it. Pretty little thing. Yeah, and there's my airbox on. One of the subscribers said, whatever I do, don't put stickers on it. So I've seen lots of people with a 240/1 sticker there, which I'm thinking I don't really want to do that. But I've got these really nice hammer and compass old East German DDR stickers, and I kind of wanted to put one of them on it or two of them on it just to show people where it had come from. But any thoughts on that? Should it be done? Should it not be done? Should it be just left as it was? I don't know. I left the old tax disc, put the tax disc on for a bit of patina, which I thought was quite nice when it was last taxed. Like I say, the bike has never had an MOT because he stopped using it, the original owner. But anyway, here it is, the finished product. I've sorted that so that's in there nice and tight and hopefully won't spin round. So hopefully it should start up and run. Yeah, I've charged the battery up, still got 6-volt genuine electrics. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So different from what there is out there today, and being two-stroke, it's different in the UK. I'm really looking forward to throwing my leg over it maybe this afternoon and having a little ride because the sun is out. So I'm gonna see if I can start it. Oh, and obviously I painted the little MZ thing there. So yeah, I just think it's such a nice little bike. So let's see if it will start up. So I have enough fuel in it, so I'll still put it on the reserve there. Yeah, okay. And I've been told you don't turn it on, you just put the enrichment lever on and kick it twice to fill the ports with fuel and oil vapor. So that's the second kick. Turn the ignition on, so I have lights. Maybe turn the enrichment back a little bit, and hopefully on the third kick we might have a start up. So here we go. Oh, they're right. It does. It runs. Why shouldn't it run? I wonder if it will tick over, but my opinion, it sounds quite good. I don't know if that's normal, the generator light. Oh, it just stopped on me, so I'll start it again. I don't know if that's normal, the generator light coming on. Certainly smells two-strokey. Puff, 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 puff. Well, I'm impressed, guys. I am so impressed with this. Yeah, this is MZ love. Well, there you go, boys and girls. All my hard work, I think it's paid off. I hope it's meant to sound like that. Not done many miles yet. Oh well, that's all for now, but all in all, it's been an enjoyable journey. Pulling it apart. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I'm going to enjoy using it. But it's a shame. I'm going to turn it off. It's a shame we're heading into winter. There we go. It's a shame we're heading into winter, but hopefully we'll have some good days. But there you go. What do you gentlemen and ladies think to the finished project? Finished article. Oh, I'm very happy with it. Some bits could be better, but all in all, it's come out really well. It's an easy project. Yeah, really nice to do. Any bits that I could improve on or do better, let me know. And thanks very much to my 75 subscribers. Bye bye.